Another situation that, while it won't be in again, this is a mobile home with a low roof, low ceiling also, with a different kind. They took it all the, usually like a paper board of some kind, usually on the ceiling. They took that down, they put this tongue and groove up. We've cut it out for a Pioneer cassette type, which is the type of a head for a mini split. There's 3 of them on this, and every one of the 3 are different circumstances. And this is yet another circumstance. So now this is the original ceiling taken off and put this kind of wood tongue and groove, and we've cut a 23 by 23 inch hole because we had the way of seeing where the rafters were from here to here. Otherwise, we have to climb up there and cut a great big hole. We still don't know above this metal roof if we don't run into the rafters that go over the top of this mobile home, which is like rafters that you would have in a house. So we don't know yet. We're going to find out. And I'm going to use a Sawzall to cut through the metal, and that way I can get all the metal out of the way. It's quite a journey. That is kicking metal into my eyes.
Get your glasses on, your sunglasses.
Not a bad idea. Mobile home roof with the roof coating on it. We got insulation galore. Woo, it's hot up here. We were fortunate in that the rafters lined up with the rafters on the mobile home. That's just not going to happen often. So, although I feel very fortunate, I'm not going to go buy a lottery ticket because I got enough gambles as it is going down the road. So next we'll be pulling all this insulation out of the way, trying to figure out what to do as far as supporting the head that goes up in here. And that's where we're at next. We'll catch you up when we get over here doing all the ugly work. Now, we found out before and we're finding out again that the freon lines interfere with you just cutting a, in this case, 23 by 23 inch piece hole. It still will have this part here sticking out into the hole. So we have to put a hole a little bit further out, like 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches out in that corner. So that's what I marked. Now what we've done is set these hangers that they give you in the kit. They're meant to hang into wire up in the ceiling or otherwise, but in this case we're able to have a rafter here and a rafter here that we can run screws into. That's why we turn these, so we can run the screws inside of there, and that'll hold this up. Now it's got to be done with a ratchet or 2 wrenches, ratchet and a wrench, in this case 5/8, and
they're both 5/8.
5/8 and 5/8. Then he's going to go up there, so that takes 2 people. And I have a piece already cut that's 7/8 of an inch. That's how far up the bottom of this needs to be up from the finished ceiling. Now, It's kind of awkward for one person, but it can be done, and we're fixing to do it. To be down here holding it. So he's going to climb up there. I'm going to push it up to him. He's going to fasten it to those rafters, and I'm going to have this to set the height at 7/8 up inside. So we'll see in just a minute.
Oh, hold on. This is hitting a rafter. You're hitting a rafter over here? Yeah, you're hitting a rafter. Drew, pull it. I don't get to film very much. Trying to help.
Alright, where do you want to fasten first?
Let's try.
Closest to you.
Try to come down behind you.
Okay. Right there. The other side, the same side toward out the bluff line. Right there.
One.
The wires have to be lined up with this area right here. There's some more wires that are on this cover. So in that corner, they have to be right here. They go in through a hole right there. So that tells us where this corner's got to be. This is a pain. Helps to have another person. Lock.
Close.
Don't want to pull it down too tight.
This corner over here needs it. Whatever you did, you made it worse.
That's as tight as it goes.
All right.
Now, we're going to end up doing the wiring into here. The wire, the control wires and the powered wires in here. And then these wires will go inside here along with this one. We'll show you when we do that. Now these have little hooks. They have slots up in here. Then you just pull these little deals back. There we go. We'll get with you in the next stage.